Have you ever wondered why some YouTube shorts blow up to millions of views and others, well, they get stuck in YouTube's forgotten corner?
Yeah, like you followed all the tips. Post consistently, but still, nothing happens. Meanwhile, your neighbor's cat video is breaking the internet. What are you missing?
Well, don't worry. We're about to reveal a killer strategy for making your faceless YouTube shorts pop. And it doesn't involve having a cat.
All right, let's go into the goldmine faceless YouTube Shorts channels. You've probably seen a few, right? Channels like FC Motivate with 1.39 million subscribers, Wanda Diamond League with nearly 1 million, and even Star Sports with a staggering 8.38 million subscribers. These channels are absolutely dominating the shorts game. They're faceless. No on-screen personalities, no talking heads, just captivating footage and storytelling. But it's not just about grabbing random clips and slapping them together. Nope. These channels are built with intention, and we're going to show you how to do the same with a smart, repeatable strategy.
So, before we get too deep into the fun stuff, let's talk strategy. If you're ready to take your shorts channel to the next level, you need 3 things: a story, an epic voiceover, and killer footage.
We're about to break it down step by step, and you'll see just how quickly you can make your viral channel. Plus, we've got a little secret weapon up our sleeves to make this process a breeze. Have you heard of Storyblocks? It's a tool, and we're going to show you how to create viral content using it.
First up, the story. This is where a lot of creators go wrong. You need something that makes people feel, whether it's excitement, curiosity, fear, or even a good laugh. But it doesn't have to be complicated.
For example, FC Motivate combines sports motivation with powerful emotional moments that make you feel like you could conquer anything. Those clips really fire you up, don't they? Or take a look at the Wanda Diamond League. They feature amazing athletic feats that are simply addictive to watch.
So, think about the emotions you want your viewers to feel. Do you want them to feel inspired, laugh out loud, or maybe even gasp in shock? Your story has to hit that sweet spot.
And if you're thinking, but I'm not a writer, don't worry, you can find great stories online. Reddit's a goldmine for wild, real-life tales, and don't sleep on Wikipedia for some crazy historical events. Trust me, people love history when it's packaged the right way.
Next up, the voiceover. You can't have a great story without a voice that brings it to life, but you don't even have to record it yourself.
Yup, you can totally use AI tools like 11 Labs, PlayHT, or Speechelo to generate high-quality, realistic voiceovers. No awkward recordings, no bad mic quality, just pick a voice, copy-paste your script, and boom! Instant narration.
Seriously, if I had $1 for every time I've used AI voiceovers, I'd be, well, probably rich enough to buy Twitter.
Right? But seriously, the tech is amazing, and you can create pro-level voiceovers that sound real. You could narrate a dramatic sports moment or even create funny commentary for highlight reels.
And now, la pieza de resistencia. Killer visuals. You've got the story and the voiceover, but without fantastic footage, it'll all fall flat. And this is where Storyblocks comes in.
Yeah, if you're still trying to find free stock footage all over the internet, stop. Storyblocks gives you unlimited access to high-quality videos, animations, and music. You can literally drag and drop clips into your timeline and create something in minutes.
I mean, look at these visuals. If I had Storyblocks back when I started, my first channel might have actually, gone somewhere.
Oh yeah, we've all been there. Editing with bad footage is like trying to win a race with a flat tire. But once you start using Storyblocks, you're putting rocket fuel into your video's potential. Just imagine pairing your voiceover with stunning visuals of sports moments, motivational scenes, or even those fantastic slow-motion shots.
But wait, how do you keep people watching your shorts all the way through? I mean, attention spans are shorter than a TikTok trend these days.
Great question. It's all about pattern interrupts. You've got to switch things up mid-video to keep people interested. Like those wait for it moments, or even throwing in a joke when they least expect it. It shakes them out of their scrolling trance.
Yes! And don't forget cliffhangers. Leave them hanging for just a second before you drop the punchline or reveal the twist. It's a psychological trick. You create tension, and viewers stick around to see the resolution.
And humor is your best friend. Even in serious shorts, a well-placed joke can reset the viewer's focus. Like, imagine narrating an intense sports moment and then casually dropping, "Wow, that guy's leap was higher than my Wi-Fi bill."
Or something like, "If that goalie could block as well as I block my responsibilities, the other team wouldn't have a chance." It keeps things light while keeping viewers hooked.
Editing with story blocks. You've got your story, your voiceover, and your visuals. But how do you really make it pop?
Here's the trick. Once you've got everything imported into Storyblocks Editor, use their overlays to add text, animations, or even fun emojis. These small touches make your shorts feel professional and polished.
Storyblocks has a massive library of royalty-free tracks. Pick something that matches the mood of your short, whether it's fantastic, intense, or playful. I always like to throw in some sound effects too. The right whoosh or ding can make all the difference.
Exactly. And remember, timing is everything. Sync your visuals and sound to hit those emotional beats perfectly. A perfect cut can turn a good short into a viral one.
Use bold text and make it pop with bright colors. It grabs attention immediately. Plus, you can add those funny sound effects for comedic timing.
Think about thumbnails like mini movie posters. Look at what the pros are doing. Big reactions, shocking images, or even something as simple as an arrow pointing to a mystery object. Curiosity is the key.
And don't forget to test. Sometimes the thumbnail you think will work doesn't, and that's okay. Swap it out, experiment with different styles, and watch what your audience reacts to.
Posting one viral short won't cut it. You've got to post regularly to stay on the radar. And guess what? Once you nail your formula, scaling becomes super easy.
Set up a content calendar and stick to it. Whether it's daily or weekly, consistency is what YouTube's algorithm loves. And as you keep posting, your editing speed will increase, your storytelling will get tighter, and your videos will naturally start performing better.
Before we go, we've got a little challenge for you. Think you can create a viral short in the next 7 days? Bet you can. And if you do, come back here and drop a comment with your channel name. We'll check it out.
Yeah, we want to see what you guys come up with. So go ahead, make your move, and who knows, you might just end up being the next big YouTube star without ever showing your face.
See you in the next video.